Creating a Zapier account is straightforward and allows you to automate workflows between different apps and services without any coding knowledge. Here's how to get started. Visit Zapier's website. Go to zapier.com and click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Sign Up form. Fill out the sign up form with your email address, full name, and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. Verify your email. After submitting the sign-up form, Zapier will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Set up your profile. Once verified, you'll be prompted to complete your profile by adding additional details such as your job title, company name, and preferences. Explore Zapier dashboard. Upon completing your profile, you'll be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Here, you can start creating your first automation by clicking on Make a Zap or explore the available apps and integrations. Start creating zaps. Begin automating tasks by selecting apps, setting triggers and actions, and configuring your workflows to suit your needs.